7 quick ways to make 15K monthly online in 2024. Are you sick and weary of working in a job you detest all day long with little to show for it? Although it's a typical situation for many, it doesn't have to apply to you. Greetings from the digital age, in which earning money online has turned into a respectable and profitable endeavor for those who dare to pursue it. The internet provides a plethora of options to generate a considerable income from home in this golden age of human history. Welcome to Money Ocean, your ultimate destination for all things finance, wealth building, and success. Whether you're looking to grow your income, invest wisely, or achieve financial independence, you've come to the right place. Join us as we navigate the vast seas of opportunity, guiding you towards prosperity and abundance. And in today's episode, we'll dive deep into 7 quick and proven methods to help you make $15,000 monthly online in 2024. Get ready to set sail on your journey to financial freedom with Money Ocean. Imagine 20 years old running profitable internet enterprises, traveling the world, and becoming millionaires. Why can't you do it if they can? Let's now explore 7 doable tactics that will enable you to earn at least $15,000 a month and live the life you choose. Quick way number 1. Build a symbiotic system for $10,000 in monthly income. The secret to making $10,000 a month online is to set up various revenue streams that support and feed off of one another, or what is referred to as a symbiotic system. Considering managing a YouTube channel devoted to a popular topic, such as artificial intelligence, you can use the expansion of one revenue stream to support the growth of other sources by monetizing your channel with affiliate marketing and ads, eventually achieving your financial objectives. Quick way number 2. Harness the power of YouTube for high leverage income. Gaining popularity on YouTube provides unmatched influence in the virtual realm. You can establish long-term passive revenue streams by producing high-quality content that connects with your audience. Unlike traditional jobs where your earning potential is dependent on your time and effort, YouTube allows you to reach millions of viewers with a single video. There is a market waiting for you to investigate, whether you provide knowledge about technology, psychology, wealth, health, or travel. Accept YouTube as a platform for creating a successful online business and opening up countless revenue streams. Quick way number 3. The introvert's YouTube dream: faceless content creation. Is it difficult for you to be in front of the camera? No problem at all. Even if you do not expose your identity, it is possible to take advantage of the potential that YouTube offers. For the purpose of providing insightful content, a significant number of prominent networks rely on voiceovers and stock video, rather than employing a presenter. Considering drawing ideas from websites and platforms that are centered on health, such as BuddyHub, which draws millions of visits on a monthly basis. Through the application of the appropriate strategies and resources, introverts have the potential to achieve success on YouTube by establishing lucrative channels that are appealing to a diverse audience. Quick way number 4. Dominate Instagram with theme pages for passive income. Influencers are not the only people who can use Instagram to build successful businesses. Clever business owners can also utilize it to develop profitable enterprises. It is possible to make passive revenue through the use of theme pages that concentrate on specific topics, such as health, wealth, or vacation. By utilizing hashtags and carefully curated content to generate revenue through shoutouts and advertisements, you may not only cultivate a loyal following, but also generate revenue from your page. In the right circumstances, Instagram has the potential to become a dependable source of income that can help you finance your other online pursuits. Quick way number 5. Establish a profitable blog for sustainable income. In spite of the fact that some people may believe that blogging is no longer fashionable, it is still a great way to make money online in a passive manner. You may be able to get free traffic to your blog and make money from it via the use of affiliate marketing and advertising if you provide high-quality material that is optimized for search engines. There is a market that is waiting for you to fill it, regardless of whether your areas of passion have to do with technology, leisure, or money. Take into consideration that blogging is an investment that will offer continuous revenues to your web business over the long term. Quick way number 6. Tap into the power of TikTok for rapid growth. Short-form video platforms such as TikTok present intriguing potential for those who are interested in starting their own internet businesses through the creation of freshly made videos for TikTok or through the reuse of content from your existing channels. You have the potential to reach a more extensive audience and boost interaction. You can use TikTok to market high-paying affiliate offers and partner products, despite the fact that the platform does not provide a large number of choices for inbuilt monetization. TikTok has the potential to be an effective weapon in your arsenal for making money online if you choose to use it in an inventive and consistent manner. Quick way number 7. Promote high payout partner products for maximum earnings. The vast majority of people approach affiliate marketing in the wrong manner, despite the fact that it is a popular technique for making passive income. Rather than promoting low-value things with small commissions, you should focus on promoting high-paying partner products that generate large amount of cash per sale. Whether you are pushing software, digital services, or online courses, you may significantly boost your monthly income by recommending products that have higher price points. You have the ability to boost your earning potential by selecting from a wide range of high payout products that are available on platforms such as ClickBank and Digistore24 online marketplaces. Those who are willing to make the most of the chances that are available in the current digital landscape have the potential to earn a monthly income of at least $15,000 through the use of the internet. By putting into action these 7 tried and true tactics, you will be able to establish a successful internet business that will allow you to have financial independence and flexibility. Whether you decide to use YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or blogging as a means of generating cash, the most important thing is to have numerous income streams that complement one another and work together to propel you toward your desired level of income. Unlock the boundless potential of online entrepreneurship in 2024 and beyond by embracing the power of the internet and its unlimited possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Money Ocean, where we explore the currents of financial success. We hope you found valuable insights and strategies to propel you towards your income goals. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and expert advice on mastering your finances and building wealth. Until next time, may your ventures be prosperous and your sales be filled with abundance. Farewell from the Money Ocean, where the tide of wealth flows endlessly.